Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan. So, ito ang inyong monthly reading for July 2026. Let's see the energy using tarot and oracle cards. So, ito ay general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Okay. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description, or sa comments section. Okay, let's see for Leo, July. Uy, connection, communication, fellowship, friendship. So, yung iba sa inyo, Leo, mas marami kayong magiging kaibigan. You will be more, magiging sociable. Tama ba? Mas magsusocialize ka. Ayan. Ngayong July. That makes sense because Jupiter is in Leo right now, no? So, may mga bagong friends. Pwedeng magiging member ka ng group. Or mas magiging outgoing ka, no? To be more connected in a community na nagre-resonate ka. You also have first quarter ng moon. So, this is focus. You are focused on something. Focus ka sa goals mo. Focus ka sa mga pangarap mo. Focus ka sa pagpapalawak ng connections mo. This is about your network. Sabi nga your network is your net worth. Now, your overall energy is the Three of Swords. Bakit? Meron ditong pain. Merong disappointment. Pwedeng disappointment to sa isang tao, sa relationship, no? Or it can be disappointment sa sarili mo. Kaya ngayon, mas nagiging focus ka sa gusto mo kasi pwedeng nung mga nakaraan, hindi mo nakukuha yung target mo. Hindi mo na, ayan, with the Four of Swords, you are healing. July for you is recovery. And part ng recovery mo is connecting with new people, new connections, new friends. It's kind of heavy for you, Leo, no? But, ang importante is, open ka to heal. Okay? And also to rest. Kasi pwedeng pagod. Yung iba pagod ang inyong puso. Pagod ang isip. Kasi swords din to no? Pagod sa kakaisip ng isang tao. Partner, ganyan. Or mga ideas mo. And now you want to rest. You want to break free. You want, so magpahinga. What is your challenge this month? Okay. The Ten of Swords. So, as a challenge, this is letting go. Kasi, meron kang kailangang i-let go na. Tapusin. Anything that is no longer serving you, you have to let that go. Kasi, tama na daw, tapos na. Oh. You have the Two of Swords. Yung iba kasi parang nahihirapan pang i-let go yan. This can be a relationship, a career path, na masyado ng toxic sa'yo, masyado ng nagpapahirap sa kalooban mo. Can be a relationship, career, kanya-kanyang sitwasyon yan. And it's time for you to break free, to end. You need to make that decision. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo lang din ang nagpapahirap sa sitwasyon nyo. Kasi kayo rin ang pumipigil ng pagbabago. Now, let's see your opportunity. What's the opportunity? The Seven of Wands. You have the opportunity to protect yourself, protect your energies, focus on what works for you, at iwasan mo rin yung mga taong nangingialam sa mga desisyon mo, nangingialam sa mga gusto mong gawin, na hindi naman talaga sila parte ng goal mo, 'di ba? Oh, you have the Five of Wands. You have the opportunity to be more competitive, na parang not because gusto mong may patunayan sa kanila, but gusto mong ipaglaban yung sarili mo. Gusto mong ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. Kasi pwedeng may mga taong na-disappoint, no? Or may mga taong nagpa-disappoint sa'yo. Or paano ba yun? Na-disappoint ka sa mga taong ito na pwedeng may betrayal, no? For some of you, someone betrayed you. You trusted this person or you trusted this company pero hindi pala pwedeng pagkatiwalaan. Hindi pala sila katiwa-tiwala. And now your opportunity is to rise above these challenges. Now let's see your blessing. What's the blessing? The Four of Wands. Wow, ang ganda ng blessing na to. Achievement to eh. Meron kang celebration. Oo. Tingnan mo, may mga flag. It's like, pwedeng ano to, you will be part of a community, and then yung mga taong tama, no, yung mga taong tama na dapat kasama mo, sila talaga yung mag-aangat sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Yung mga nasa tamang, kumbaga masasabi mong nasa tamang tao ka na, nasa tamang circle ka na, circle of friends, community ka na. Some of you merong achievement when it comes to properties. Pwedeng may bibilhin kang property, or you will gain some money, no? Meron ka mag-gain from a property. What else? Oh, you have the World. Wow. So as a blessing, this can be travel opportunity sa ibang bansa ngayong July. And this is also about culmination, ending of a cycle. So merong nagko-close na chapter sa buhay mo, and finally, you are moving on. So itong July na to, para siyang rites of passage na ano siya, proseso na pagdadaanan mo. At first, that can be challenging para sa'yo or mahirap magdesisyon, i-let go. But eventually, success will follow para sa'yo. Ayan, no? Pwedeng merong properties, no? Lupa, bahay, sasakyan. Or kung may balak kang mag-abroad, ito yung panahon na mas magkakaroon ka ng expansion. Kasi especially that Jupiter is in Leo right now. 'Di ba? So Jupiter is the planet of expansion, good luck, blessings. So may pagkakataon kang laboy, makapaglaboy or gumala, bumili ng properties. Let's see what else. You will be working with the right people. Kumbaga kayo ay magsasama-sama to work for a certain agenda. Meron ditong broken vase, overcoming crisis. I think ito na yon na meron kang, yes, merong mga disappointments, but you choose to move on, you choose to move forward, and now, no, may time ka na para sa sarili mo. It's time to relax. It's time to love yourself. 'Di ba? Kaya nga ito, yung iba sa inyo may bakasyon. Wow! Oh, Leo, balato naman dyan. Oh. May abundance, may pa-dollars pa. Yung iba sa inyo, you are earning in dollars or you will earn money in dollars. Being a thoughtful steward for the money you already have is the secret to creating more abundance. When you trust yourself to handle more, that's when more shows up. O, diba? Siksikliglig, nag-uumapaw ang blessings para sa inyo. Hindi porket may mga challenges, may mga disappointments, it doesn't mean na hindi mo na may experience yung magagandang bagay sa buhay mo. Kasi ikaw rin naman yung gagawa ng action dyan. Kung hindi mo hahayaan ang sarili mo sa ganyang sitwasyon, di ba? Na feeling sad, disappointed, but now you are creating more abundance in your life ngayong July. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.